Hi, so for my modifications project, I chose Brown Bear, Brown Bear, and for my disability, I chose a student who is deaf. So I found when I was reading about teaching deaf children that it was really important to learn to sign and teach your entire class sign language. That's a good thing for people to learn anyway, and it'll help that student or students feel more included. It's important to focus on visuals, use letter cards, build vocabulary, focus on the positives, and adjust your environment for deaf children. And it's also really important to test for comprehension so that you know they are understanding the material. So for this book, for example, it says Brown Bear, Brown Bear. You can have a stack of cards for them, colors, and animals for this book. And when you're reading, they can hold up the color that the animal is and then the animal. And a lot of memory games will help with this, so matching card games is a good way to prepare them for reading a book like this. So they'd hold up their brown card and a bear, red bird, red bird, yellow duck, green frog, green frog. They'd pick up their green card and hold it up, and then they'd pick up their frog card and hold it up. And that's a good way for them to participate while you're reading, and also like for you to understand that they're learning. Purple cat, purple and the cat card. White dog, black sheep, goldfish, goldfish. They can hold up yellow or orange. And then teacher, teacher. For that, they can point to me and hold up a color that I'm wearing that day. And then some sensory activities that I found that looked really cool. And this would be good for classrooms even if there weren't any students that were deaf. But just have a bunch of spaghetti and dye them different colors. And then kids are going to love feeling the texture of spaghetti, and you can talk about the different colors and have them separate them into different bins by the color of the spaghetti, and that you can talk about the slimy texture. And one thing that I read was children really like to thread the noodles, so that would be really fun. There's a lot of edible sensory play that you can do, and all kids would enjoy that. One of my favorites that I found was you can make your own sensory book, and I saw one that said my hand can feel. So this may take a little bit more materials, but it can be good for honestly any age of child. You can use fur, cardboard, sandpaper, so that each page is a different texture, and you can feel and talk about what's each texture, and the children can interact while you're reading this book. Thank you.